Hello. Today we're going to talk about the pipeline analysis tool. You'll find that on the dashboard right here at the top of the page. Now this tool will take a look at the current view that you're in. So in this case I'm looking at my loans view, but I could look at my test view, my pipeline view, which encompasses all files, or any other custom view that you have set up. Now when you click on the analysis tool, it's going to bring up a window, and in this window we're going to see where all the files, and in this case we're looking at 72 files total in our loans view, how they fall within the different statuses. Now we have all the normal statuses, and then we have some that are uncategorized. That could be because the status box that was marked is blank, or any other reason where that title at the top of your point track status page is maybe blank, or has some special character or something like that that we don't recognize. All of these are links to kind of filter down your 72 files in our loans view down to just those that are meeting this current status. Like if we click on application, we're going to see just the 14 that are in the current status of application. Now if we go back to our analysis, we also have the option here to sort on tags and flags. So these are those custom things that you've created to designate on your files where maybe the file's missing data, waiting on the borrower, you're assigning it to a specific person, or the flags could be ready to move on, credit's been run, any other custom notification that you've made on the file. And you can refer to our tags and flags video on how to create those. But when you assign them to a file, they also become filterable. So we can click on these items too and just get down to our two files that have that particular tag or flag. Now once we get here to our filtered view of just those files, we can save this as a new view if we'd like, or if we go into our file and navigate away, Pulse will discard this view. You can always recreate it just by going through the pipeline analysis again. But if you do want to save it as it stands right now, filtering based on those flags or tags or whatever, you can take that opportunity right here, save the view as a new option, and then you can always return to that, and it will keep things up to date based on that filter. So if you do add on other files to that flag, tag, or status, we're going to show you those in real time.